Hey guys, what's going on? Josh of Refuado Unmanned Systems in Tampa, Florida. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I got a great video for you guys. Every day at my job, I get asked, hey Josh, how can I become part of the drone industry? Or, hey Josh, I'm looking to get out of the work that I'm doing right now and transition into the drone space. What can I do to be successful? How do I approach the industry? What's the current state of the industry? So in today's video, I want to kind of answer those questions for you and see if I can help steer you guys into the right direction so that you can be successful in the drone industry. So like I said, guys, every day I get asked, Josh, how can I join the drone industry? How can I become a part of the drone industry? How can I start making money in the drone industry? Well, what is the drone industry? Drones are used for a wide range of applications, and the use cases have expanded significantly over the past few years. Everything from public safety, film and photography, search and rescue, delivery drones, agriculture drones that spray and gather intelligent crop data, construction drones that help make sure construction sites progress is being recorded properly and everything is moving along to expectation. And not only have the use cases expanded, but also the industry jobs have started to grow as well. We need more salespeople, we need more trainers, we need more guys going out and doing the job. We need more hardware engineers, we need more software engineers that can help build software that makes drones work better. And with a projected global drone market for 2023 being valued at $42.97 billion and a compound annual growth rate of 38%, this industry is expanding and booming, and there is plenty of space for you to fit in. So where do you fit in the drone industry, and can you make money flying drones, being part of the industry? The short answer is yes, you can. The thing is, though, is that there's two important factors that you need to keep in mind when you're approaching the industry and deciding a career path. The two biggest things, I believe, are the saturation in which the vertical of drones that you want to participate in and approach, whether that's going to be film and photography, agriculture, getting into delivery. These are all different verticals that have different levels of saturation and competition. Competition is the next thing. The reason why this is important is because not only is there saturation, but you are going against guys who have years of experience doing this job. And let me ask you a question. Would you rather hire somebody who's been doing it for only a couple weeks or months, or hire somebody who has years of experience doing this job? Back in 2015, when I first started Fuado, if you were to approach me and ask me, hey Josh, can I go ahead and start a photography business with a drone and make money? I would have told you, hey, that's not a bad idea. You should approach that and see how it works out for you. But now in 2023, everybody has a drone. All the drones have intelligent flight features that allow the drone to fly themselves, essentially. So is it really a good idea for you to approach a vertical in the industry that is saturated with a lot of people who want to do it, and then also has some serious competitors that have been doing it for a long time and have become serious experts? So keep those things in mind when you're deciding your career path for the drone industry. Here are some other tips that I want to give you real quick that'll help you kind of get going in this industry. First and foremost, it's important that you get your Part 107 certificate from the FAA. This certificate allows you to fly drones commercially and collect money and keeps you legal. It teaches you all the laws that you need to know and everything you need to be safe while you're doing this job. Very important that you knock that out first. That way you can begin to have the conversation about working in the drone industry. The next thing is to get some training. Training is important, and there is all sorts of training classes offered online and in person throughout the United States. It is important to make sure that you go with a good company, but it's also important that you just get the training done. Because what the training will do is allow you to fast track into the industry so that you can hit the ground running. Check out the link in the description below to see trainings that we offer here at Fuado. Once you get some training completed, the next thing you want to start considering is picking out equipment or picking out a drone. There are all sorts of drones. Drones that range anywhere from $400 to drones that range to $40,000 and more. It just depends on what type of vertical in the drone industry you want to do. If you're looking to get into film and photography, you can go with a consumer aircraft that can do some pretty impressive work. If you're looking to get into the more industrial side, where you may be doing inspections, mapping, photo documentation, you may want to look into a more commercial or enterprise aircraft that will do that type of job better and has specific software built for it so that it can achieve that job with superb results. Another thing to consider is your exact approach on how you want to get into the drone industry. Are you looking to start your own business? Do you have the resources available to get a business going and off the ground? Have you ever started a business before? Are you ready to make the investment in equipment like this $8,000 drone behind me, which will help you be competitive to your competitors who may already have that equipment? What about software? That costs anywhere from a few tens of dollars a month to hundreds of dollars a month. What about training? Are you able to afford the training that you need so that you have the know-how to do your job and be competitive with the people who have been doing it for years? These are all important factors for you to consider before you dive both feet into the drone industry. Maybe it's a better approach for you to work for a company. This is also a great way for you to get valuable training that you need in order to possibly transition into your own drone business that is doing inspections, mapping, photography, or even taking it to the next level, getting involved in agriculture work, LiDAR, drone deliveries. The sky's the limit. But during this training time, you need to make sure that you learn and you get good at your job. That way you can be successful when you're on your own. Just because you spent $8,000, $10,000, $20,000 on a drone, software, and training doesn't mean you're going to be the expert when you go out and do your first job. Your first few jobs should be considered additional training for you. This will allow you to understand the entire workflow for what you're actually trying to get into. So if you're trying to do inspections, you have to actually do the job. You have to take the data and upload it to some sort of software where it'll create your deliverable, and then that deliverable needs to be shared with your customer. That is an entire process. Agriculture, you got to buy the equipment, you got to get the training, you got to learn how to do that job and make sure that you're giving results to your customer that your customer actually wants. In 2022, North America held the most significant market share of the commercial drone industry. In 2023, the projected market globally is expected to be valued at $42.9 billion. With a compound annual growth rate of 38%, we are expecting the drone industry to be valued at $583 billion by the year 2030. With that being said, there is still plenty of time and space for you to become involved in the drone industry, and we need you. If you want to learn more about how you can get involved in the drone industry, if you want training, if you want to talk about equipment, feel free to reach out to us. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can reach out to me directly and I can answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.